Ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing healthcare? Ever heard of health informatics? Well, let's dive right in. Health informatics is a fascinating field, standing at the crossroads of healthcare, information technology, and data. Picture it as an invisible force propelling our healthcare systems forward. It's about leveraging data, harnessing information, and utilizing technology to improve patient care, streamline processes, and make informed decisions. In essence, health informatics is the backbone of modern healthcare, providing valuable data-driven insights. So, how exactly does health informatics play a role in healthcare? Well, its uses are both varied and vital. For starters, electronic health records streamline the process of storing and accessing patient data. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error. Then we have telemedicine, which, thanks to health informatics, has made healthcare more accessible than ever before, especially for those in remote areas. Health informatics also plays a crucial role in analyzing health data. This data analysis helps healthcare providers identify trends, make informed decisions, and even predict future health scenarios. All these applications ultimately enhance healthcare efficiency and improve patient care. From patient records to telemedicine, health informatics is truly a game changer in healthcare. What is the ultimate purpose of health informatics, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the pursuit of better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare delivery. This is achieved by harnessing the power of data analysis, fostering effective decision-making, and enhancing communication within the healthcare setting. Through these mechanisms, health informatics provides valuable insights and tools that streamline processes and improve patient care. So the purpose of health informatics is simple: to make healthcare better for everyone. So, what have we learned about health informatics? In essence, it's a game changer, enhancing healthcare by improving data management and patient care. It holds the key to future advancements, optimizing efficiency and outcomes. Health informatics, the powerful force shaping the future of healthcare.